Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is World Humanitarian Day 2022. World Humanitarian Day or WHD is commemorated every year on 19 August. The day is recognized globally to pay tribute and homage to the brave hearts who come forward and work towards a humanitarian cause. The day marks the sacrifice of humanitarian workers who lost their precious lives while working for humanitarian needs and causes. The theme for WHD 2022 is to show the importance, effectiveness, and positive impact of humanitarian work. WHD is a campaign by the United Nations Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs or OCHA and humanitarian partners. The day brings together partners from across the humanitarian system to advocate for the survival and dignity of people affected by the crisis. For WHD 2022, people will use digital art to tell the stories of people in need and those who help them. People will share the profiles and other materials via social media channels with hashtag ItTakesAVillage and hashtag World Humanitarian Day. Now moving on to the history. On 19 August 2003, a bomb attack on the Canal Hotel in Baghdad, Iraq, killed 22 humanitarian aid workers, including the UN Special Representative of the Secretary General for Iraq, Sergio Vieira de Mello. 5 years later, the General Assembly adopted a resolution designating 19 August as World Humanitarian Day or WHD. The 2021 Humanitarian Needs Overview estimated that 20.7 million people need humanitarian assistance. In 2021, 460 aid workers were attacked, 140 killed, 203 wounded, and 117 kidnapped.